Delivery trail. Today we're in Cumberland, Portmore. Miss Foster, how are you doing? Hello, sir. Glad to be back. Oh, you don't carry ID, I don't understand. You never remember? Alright, we'll deal with that later. What you want to tell me about my service? Because today is Sunday and I'm here.
Well, I can say it's a great service for a shipping company that ever come at my home to do delivery. I'm grateful.
So all along you never leave? All along you just give away your money, sir?
No, look, so it
Oh,
looks
okay, alright.
so thanks for your service and I really appreciate it.
You're welcome, I like you here.
Thank you.
I never know so them could have do locks in them kind of.
Yeah.
Oh, nice. Nice. So you think we should have grown mine for more and call it brother locks?
If you want.
So when man do it, na brother locks?
I don't know.
You don't know?
But I know say mine a sister.
Yours a sister?
Yeah.
Sister lock. It look good. It look good.
Thanks.
So that part I can pull out back, that part where you make the arch and
Everything can flow up.
for real?
Even
Take off and put on or still
No,
each up
my
on your head.
ear.
You're here.
my ear.
Oh, them creative.
Everything my ear.
Okay, you do
You
it?
can't even know.
Okay.
A stylist.
Stylist. Nice.
Yeah.
Nice. So can go on for the youths them. Anyway, I won't keep your time. Thanks for being a part of our family. Make sure to say you invite your friends and families.
Sure. I will.
Alright?
Yeah.
And no football now play today or too early?
I said too early.
You play too?
Not again, one.
You used to play football, which one? Your foot them not look chip up like you used to play football. For which company?
Red Stripe.
Red Stripe? Oh, top drinker or top baller?
Top baller.
Anyway, top baller. Enjoy the rest of your day, alright? That's how we do it on the delivery trail. The top baller say, later on she just go watch the football, she done with the playing. We don't play so bye.